Up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to connect any Wi-Fi network without password, or how you can find Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is find a phone that have already connected to a Wi-Fi network. After you find the phone, you have to click on this Wi-Fi option right here. Then what you need to do is click on the settings option. Please make sure you watch the full video and every step I am going to show you so that you can find your Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. So after doing so, you have to click on QR code like that. After clicking on QR code, you have to screenshot it. Otherwise, you can save it. So after that, you have to go to your browser. I'm going to Chrome browser. Then you have to search QR code scanner. After searching that, you can see here is a website free QR code scanner. After clicking on this, you have to upload this QR code to crack the password. I'm going to upload it. You have to click on upload. Then you have to click on browse. After that, you can see here is the screenshot I just take. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you can see here is the password and the Wi-Fi network name on the list. The website just showing you the password of this Wi-Fi network. So this is how you can find any Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.